Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel SSA. First of all, I request don't forget to subscribe my channels, like and share. Today I discuss very important topics for BSc and second year student, that is derivative of inverse trigonometric functions. So listen it carefully. I discuss one by one. First, derivative of sine inverse is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square, where modulus of x less than 1. And second, derivative of cos inverse x. Cos inverse x, that is equal to minus 1 over square root of 1 minus x square, where also modulus of x less than 1. And third is derivative of tan inverse x is equal to simply 1 over 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. And fourth is derivative of cosecant inverse x is equal to minus 1 by x square root of x square minus 1, where x modulus greater than 1. And fifth is derivative of secant inverse x is equal to 1 over x square root of x square minus 1, where also modulus of x greater than 1. And last one, that is 6, derivative of cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 over 1 plus x square. My lectures is end. Thanks for watching.